Well, some news from Puducherry. Former Puducherry Chief Minister V. Narayanaswamy has now launched an all-out attack on the BJP. Narayanaswamy, who won't be contesting this time, in fact has alleged that BJP will merge Puducherry with Tamil Nadu if at all it comes to power in the Union Territory. Narayanaswamy also claimed that the Saffron Party will overpower the government like it did in New Delhi. BJP has now hit out at the former Chief Minister over his remarks there. BJP MP Rajiv Chandrasekhar has now said that Narayanaswamy does not want to talk about his own past 5 years in the government and thus making some false, fictitious allegations.
If BJP come to power, there will be chaos in the state. They will hand over Puducherry to the corporate houses. And moreover, Delhi, what they have done, Delhi government, the powers of the elected government has been taken away by bringing a legislation in the parliament and giving it to the hands of the nominated lieutenant governor. Therefore, Puducherry, either it will be merged with Tamil Nadu or it will become a union territory with the powers of the elected government. It will be a lame-duck government.
One of the things that is fairly commonplace with Congress governments and Congress politicians, that when they are called to account for the last 5 years of their performance, they will invariably switch the topic to something that is either fictional, mythical or a lie. And so I am not necessarily surprised by Narayanaswamy wanting to talk about everything else excepting the last 5 years of his performance.
Ex-Puducherry Chief Minister Narayanaswamy will not be contesting the upcoming polls, but he's added that the chief ministerial candidate for the Congress will be chosen after polls.
If BJP come to power, there will be chaos in the state. They will hand over Puducherry to the corporate houses. And moreover, Delhi, what they have done, Delhi government, the powers of the elected government has been taken away by bringing a legislation in the parliament and giving it to the hands of the nominated lieutenant governor. Therefore, Puducherry, either it will be merged with Tamil Nadu or it will become a union territory with the powers of the elected government. It will be a lame-duck government. I am sure that BJP was using the income tax department and enforcement directorate to coerce not only Minister Namachwaya and also some of the MLAs. They are all RSS cadre.
Okay.
Those people have been appointed. What more do you expect from them? They are truly they are the BJP rank and file. In the Congress party, we never project any CM candidate at the time of election. After the election, the elected MLAs will decide who should be the chief minister. I had a knee operation. That was also one of the reasons. Because in Puducherry, one has to go to each and every house.
All right, I'll cut across to Nagarjun Dwarkanath right there from Puducherry. Nagarjun, where has BJP at all hinted at merging Puducherry with Tamil Nadu? Where is this comment coming from? Narayanaswamy insists that the BJP intends to club the two states together and will be a lame duck union territory.
Well, that's true. In fact, I was surprised too when Mr. Narayanaswamy made such comment that Puducherry, if at all BJP comes to power, that they'll try merging Puducherry with Tamil Nadu state. And I told him this is a serious allegation. He says, yes, and I stand by my words. And that's the reason people should not vote BJP to power. While BJP, on the other hand, is saying that Narayanaswamy is only trying to duck the question that people are asking today. What have you done in the last 5 years? And rather answering that, he's been putting allegations on BJP that trying to divert the topic that Puducherry will go into Tamil Nadu is what Narayanaswamy is saying. But however, the voters are deciding their mandate in the next few weeks on different issues, on basic fundamental issues. Still, when I speak to people here in Puducherry, it's not just what Puducherry is made out of, but also the basic issues like the road, the water, the electricity is still pertinent here as well. So in the next few weeks, it will be crucial for both BJP and Congress to push ahead in this election. But serious charges by both Congress and BJP against each other that Puducherry will go to Tamil Nadu and merge with it.
Very much, Nagarjun, for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.